presenting a pre-owned 2016 Acura. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed double-clutch transmission. This Acura has less than 146,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.